Hey guys, it's me and I'm talking to you in the present right now. I just wanted to give you a little update and let you know that as of right now, I'm going to be posting only once a week, not twice a week. So you can expect a video from me every Wednesday, just like this one is. But if there is a video posted on Sunday, that means I had a good week. Basically, I'm in my last couple of weeks of pregnancy. I'm 33 weeks when you're watching this, and I'm just tired and I need to take my naps, basically. So again, if I do end up posting on Sunday, that means I had a good week, and it will be a little bonus video for you guys, but just expect one upload a week. And yes, I cut my hair. Make sure you follow me on Instagram to see what is going on. Okay. Hey guys, as you can see, we ended up going to Sam's Club, and I just really quickly wanted to share everything. I'm sorry, my brain. I really quickly wanted to share everything that we got because I already had to put some stuff in the refrigerator and in the freezer because we live like a good 20-30 minutes away from Sam's, so it was like in the car, you know what I'm saying? We spent about $380, $390. This is our first time going to Sam's in months. This is the first time we're going while being in the new house, so we had to get some basics, but also we were really hungry while shopping, so not a good idea, obviously, but here we are. Okay, so first, let me show you what I already put in the freezer. We got some Mexican-style street corn. I saw a lot of Instagram posts about this, so I really wanted to try this. It is vegetarian. Will it focus? It is vegetarian and gluten-free. Then we have some Atlantic salmon filet portions. It just looked really good, so we got that. And then we got a whole big bag of mixed fruits, and I just see now that it's like 5 pre-portioned bags in the big bag. I did not know that. That's like kind of a waste of plastic, but okay. All right. I still need to okay, so no judging. A big block of Gouda cheese. This is my favorite cheese to just eat like this. I'll probably have a piece a little bit later. So yeah, whether I'm pregnant or not, love this. Crave it all the time. Some romaine hearts. Big box of strawberries. We just got some leftovers, ignore that. This is something new that I saw, some yogurt smoothies, strawberry yogurt smoothies. Very excited for that. Full baggie of avocados. A large baggie of Baby Bell. Again, I just really love cheese. Whether I'm pregnant or not, I'm like kind of always craving that. A big tub of grapes. I did not know that they sold this at Sam's Club like this, so this is really, really good. Idris and I love turkey bacon, and Oscar Mayer is the only brand that we will do. Some mozzarella cheese, some vine tomatoes, some cucumbers. Okay, that's it for refrigerator stuff. We got some flushable wet wipes. We got some Snapple, 3 different flavors. I think this is apple, strawberry, kiwi, and then the regular peach. We got some Gatorade. Obviously we forgot water, but we got juice and Gatorade. Yay! This, we needed soap since we have more bathrooms than ever before. We need to stock up on soap, so this was a good deal. I haven't smelled them yet, but I know they're gonna be amazing. Talking about wash, we also got body wash. We really love Aveeno here in the house, so we got that. Random strawberry jam. Some spices that we ran out of, some organic cumin, organic turmeric, and some curry powder. We got some whole almonds, dryer sheets, Nutella breadsticks, great for on the go, in the car. Maybe don't give it to a 3-year-old because he will mess it up. Fruit Loops, this is my favorite cereal, and Idris really likes it as well. He either eats this or plain Cheerios, no in between, just sugary or plain fiber, basically. Some Funyuns, big bag of Cheeto Paws, some Belvita breakfast bars. These are the cinnamon and brown sugar ones, really, really good. Some aluminum foil French bread. Some Nesquik, this is classic. I love this in Belgium. This is the only way that I drink my chocolate milk. This in chocolate milk. I don't like the powdery thing in the water. That's not chocolate milk, okay? This to me is chocolate milk. We're gonna try this one. Usually we get this from Sprouts. If you know my channel, you know that this is the one that we usually get. So yeah, we're gonna try this because it has a spray bottle, but then a big old refillable bottle. So that will be good to just keep on getting this. So hopefully this is good. I need to use a Think Dirty app on this, so I will leave it here in the screen, whatever its recommendation was, if this is in the system already. Some cashews with sea salt, Parmesan cheese, some honey, 2 of these, because we always seem to run out and just buy like one every week or every couple days. So we got the Classico tomato and basil, some tea. This is the organic lemon and ginger from Bigelow, very good brand, and it is individually packaged. I like that. And a big old box of Twix, 36 of these bad boys. So yeah, oh my God. I'm sorry if I sound rushed. It's because literally the camera has been flashing, battery dead since like the 2-minute mark, and it's a 6-minute mark right now. Did not know I was gonna make it, so that's great. So if it shuts out very abruptly now, that's why. Woo! I'm just happy we got this. I'm a little bit confused as to what to do now because we haven't put like the liners in the pantry yet. So I don't really want to put it in the pantry, but I also obviously don't want it out here. So maybe just put some like kitchen paper on it. I'm just gonna put it there because it's like all in boxes. I'll just leave it in a box and put it in there. Like, does that make sense? It does. Okay guys, I'm gonna sign off because I need to take this bra off and get real comfortable, and I can't be walking around on camera like that. So woo! Thank you so much for watching. Tomorrow will be added on to this vlog because we're gonna continue with the kitchen, all the organization stuff. I made some good headway already, but we're gonna finish it up. We're gonna finish Idris's bed. Today has been hectic. I'll explain more about that tomorrow, even though I already filled you guys in that the technicians and stuff came late today, but I'll talk about that tomorrow. So thank you. Good night. guys, so a little update. So yesterday, because the technician came so late, so we actually told them to call us like 30 minutes prior to arrival. They didn't do that. So I literally arrived and then he arrived like right behind me. So I ended up not going to IKEA with Benjamin. And so he was here from like 1:30 until 5:40 or something. He had to put in new satellite. He had to put down the microfiber towels. The microfiber cable, sorry. And so we didn't end up like finishing Idris's bed basically, but today's a new day. It's Saturday. Yeah, I'm trying to get my shoes on. Yeah, please. It's hard when I'm sitting down. I'm out of breath, guys. I can't be doing all this. Okay, so just came back from Target. Where's that? Like this. We got some CeraVe hydrating facial cleanser, normal to dry skin, and the daily moisturizing lotion, also normal to dry skin. Because obviously, Hiram on YouTube, TikTok, the dermatologist, he recommends this, and we need a basic one. I need one that I can also use for daily instead of for makeup removal. This is the one that I use when I remove makeup and stuff. Really good one. Then I also got 3 of my micro brow pencils, because these always seem to run out or run low in the stores when I go. So I just grabbed the last 3. I'm so sorry, guys, if you're like wanting the black ones in that store. I apologize, but like I couldn't find this for months, so I just wanted to make sure. Then the e.l.f. Illuminating Mist Set. This is the one that I really like. I accidentally bought the NYX one last time, and I don't really like it, but I'm using it. I'm using it like until it's empty, of course, but it's nearly empty. So after that, I'm gonna be using this. And then I wanted like a cheek jelly type of blush, and I couldn't really find like it in a lid in a pop thingy, so I grabbed this one. It's from Maybelline. It's in the color fuchsia. It says clear, hold on, blush 2 plus gel cream formula, sheer flush of color, natural looking, dewy finish, lightweight, breathable, water based, oil free. Apply it with your fingers and just dot it on the skin. So I was like, let me just try it. Got a bunch of other colors. If I like it, I'm definitely getting the coral one, because I just like coral on my skin tone. But now, like for summery, I just want like, you know, like pink vibes. Okay, it looks like this. Okay, it's not focusing on it. Oh, there it goes. So it looks like that. Coming out, yep. Let's see. I think you can also put it on your lips if you would. Oh, really nice. Really nice, guys. It doesn't really smell like anything. Really, really. We got a new TV. If you need a new TV, the 40-inch from Vizio is $200 in Target right now. So I think 40 inch is a good size for bedroom, I feel. It's super lightweight, so it's not that it's heavy, but I don't know how to put in the, well, I guess I can read the manual. But if it's like screwing and stuff, I'm not, yeah. No, he needs to screw that in, so Benjamin needs to come do that. Because he has that upstairs right now. Okay, let me show you guys really quickly what we got from Target. One is this baby monitor for Idris's room. He needs a baby monitor now because he's no longer sleeping in the crib. He's on a different level than we are. So we just want to make sure that he's good. Then come September, we're gonna get a second camera for the baby. We can toggle back and forth on this camera between the two rooms. So for the first couple months, the baby's gonna be with us in the room in the bassinet. So the camera's gonna be there. Afterwards, it's gonna be in his own little nursery. This has so many good reviews on Amazon, guys, like in the 30,000s. I did not want one on Wi-Fi because I did not want to be using my phone while checking them. Also, you know, if something happens to the Wi-Fi, somebody hacks in, like all that stuff, like I just don't want it. Benjamin loves scalloped potatoes. So we got 3 of these. We got 3 of the canola sprays. We got this, the sriracha mayonnaise. For all my Dutchies out there, this is like samurai, just so you know. Some pickles for Idris and I. He was craving pickles. What 3-year-old craves pickles? I don't know. Oh, we got 4 of the canola. That means that I grabbed 2 and then Benjamin afterwards also grabbed 2. That's our life, basically. And then we got 2 bottles of water, so good.
That you never come back again. Been 3 days, now you're back again. But I'm not your man, no, I'm not your man.